Assalamu Walaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a gradient fill background in Microsoft PowerPoint table. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide option. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and insert a table. Now select this table and go to table design. Then press this shading option. Then go to gradient fill. Now select this more gradient option. Now click this gradient fill. Now select this gradient stock and change the color. Now select this another gradient stock and change this color. Now we can see we add gradient fill background very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.